Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites so you can drive confidently and safely. Make sure the key fob is active and fuel is sufficient. Once seated, set mirrors and steering column for visibility and comfort, then engage the parking brake and keep your foot on the brake while you start the engine. Modern G-Wagons use a start/stop button, press it or turn the key. After the engine runs, select the appropriate drive mode and glance at dash warnings so you avoid surprises on the road. Once done with startup, release the parking brake and select your gear. Shift to D for forward, R for reverse. The gated shifter and dash confirm selection so you know what's engaged. Accelerate progressively to manage the G-Wagon's weight and torque. Use lower gears for hills and switch to 4-matic or lock differentials when traction is limited. Make steering inputs deliberate. This vehicle responds to small movements, and use mirrors plus shoulder checks. If available, enable lane assist or adaptive cruise to reduce workload on long drives. To finish, find a safe place to park, come to a full stop, shift into park, and set the parking brake before switching off the engine. This protects the transmission and prevents roll. If a warning light or unusual noise appears, stop immediately and read the instrument messages. Do not continue driving against a critical warning because you risk damage. For minor faults, inspect battery, fuses, and tire pressure. If problems persist or involve drivetrain or electronics, call roadside assistance or a Mercedes technician to avoid escalating the issue.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.